Hey everyone! In today's video, I am excited to share with y'all that I have just invested in a new index fund, Nordnet Technology Index. I will walk you through why I chose this and if you want to add this to your portfolio. Join me so I will teach you everything you need to know about the Nordnet Technology Index. What is the Nordnet Technology Index? The Nordnet Technology Index is the only technology-focused index fund in the Nordic region, and it comes with a low expense ratio of just 0.29%. This fund tracks the MSCI World Information Technology Index, which includes some of the largest and most innovative tech companies in the world. Here are the top 10 holdings in the fund. Apple 19.91%, NVIDIA 16.35%, Microsoft 16.35%, Broadcom 5.45%, Salesforce 1.81%, ASML 1.67%, SAP 1.62%, Oracle 1.57%, Cisco 1.34%, and Accenture 1.33%. These companies are one of the biggest and largest and most massive companies in the world. These are really important for the world. By investing in this fund, you get exposure to a diversified portfolio of global tech giants. This reduces risk because your investment is spread across multiple companies. Even if one company underperforms, the other ones can balance it out. Why I chose this fund? I decided to invest in the Nordic Technology Index because it gives me exposure to the technology sector, which is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. With a low expense of a ratio 0.29%, it's also one of the most affordable tech funds available. Another reason I like this fund is because it is passive managed. This means I don't need to be an expert or spend hours researching individual stocks. The fund simply follows the index. It's a hands-off approach that fits perfectly with my long-term investment strategy. I also plan to invest monthly to take advantage of a dollar cost averaging and the power of compound interest over time. Historical performance and future outlook. The Nordnet Technology Index was launched in 2020, so it's relatively new. However, the technology sector has historically delivered an annual return of around 10 to 12%. If the history repeats itself, a monthly investment of just 1,000 Norwegian kroners could grow over to 800,000 kroners in 20 years, thanks to compound interest. Of course, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but the tech sector has proven to be incredibly resilient over time. Final thoughts. This is not financial advice, but rather my personal experience and research. If you're considering investing, make sure to do your own due diligence and assets to your risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a long-term growth, so patience and consistency are the key. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on saving money and investing. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future starts today.